Everything has a good and a bad, everything has a dark and a white side to it, everything has to be divided into separate, neat compartments.
You've written two books, and the inspiration of these books came from the club, or was it from somewhere else?
No, so it's about the concept, right? So,
Yeah.
Take Me to the Heart of Beauty is a book that attacks the rigid conception of beauty. So, we survive in this world by making dichotomies of everything that we see. Everything has a good and a bad, everything has a dark and a white side to it, everything has to be divided into separate, neat compartments. And that's what the book attacks. So, in the book, I have written about the most mundane of objects, and I have tried to highlight the inherent beauty that it carries. So, in some sense, it is an attack on the stereotype of beauty. And I've not really written about people per se. I have written about people also, but that's not the highlight of it. There is a lot on nature. There is a lot on dried leaves that people consider. They don't know. I've not seen many people write poems on dried leaves. So I've taken up themes and motifs that are the least picked on, and I've put it together to highlight the fact that beauty is pretty dynamic. So that's the concept of the book.
That's a very beautiful concept. I mean, especially in today's world, everybody has such illusions about beauty, and when you try to bring out the inherent beauty of mundane objects, especially something like dry leaves, that's something very rare but beautiful in its own sense. So that's really good.
Thank
And
you.
tell me about your second book, An Anthology of My Hues.
Right. That's very. I find all your questions very interesting. So this second book was very special to me. The book was extremely special because every day you wake up thinking of yourself as this one single concrete person, right? And you think you have one color that everybody gets to see of you, but there's more to that. And if I were an artist and I had to paint a self portrait, I would use as many colors I could. So, an anthology of my hues is basically about the different colors that I put into my personality, into who I am. So I was writing this book while I was in college, and college is a difficult time, and I got the chance and I didn't want to blow it, so I thought, let me try and do it with college. At that point, I was also the president of the club I started talking to you about, and a lot of things were going on in life. It was a very fast-paced life, and I realized balance is the key. Now, for many people, it's easy, but for me, I had an artistic side. I had a political side. I loved talking about political philosophy and all those things. I had a very academic side. I loved psychology, which was extremely far, far away from literature. I loved shairi. I loved social work. So they're very, very, they're elements you don't see together, and I didn't want to lose any of these things. I didn't want to lose my hold on my relationships for the sake of establishment. But the anthology of my hues is how I chose these very different colors and I put it together and made sure they stayed together. The inspiration of it came from two of my mentors, and they're friends, but I think of them as mentors. And they epitomize balance in life. And to strike that balance and to maintain the nuance of being Shreya, of being me, is highlighted in the book. So there is a section on the spirit of art, which is essentially my artistic self. There is one on love in the urban city, which is not really love between two people, but love between me and my city and the trials and all of those things. And there is another section which is dedicated to compassion, because I wanted to get into clinical psychology. That's what I'm doing right now. And so a big theme in my life was also understanding compassion. So these are the essential 3 elements that are in this book, and I have tried to put it together to say that this is the anthology of my heroes. Anthology is a collection of writings by many people together, actually. But I played with that and I said, no, the different parts of me have their own voice. They have their own style, their own nuance. So putting all that together is what makes Anthology of My Heroes.